The sun is in a good place right now, so let's get this video started. Today's video is going to be all about hair loss, thinning hair, helping to make it look thicker and possibly grow some new hair. I'm going to be talking about a specific product line, and this video is in collaboration with Bosley MD. This company's been around for a very long time, and it can be purchased on the website Bosley MD or Ulta. And what's really nice about this line is it's not one of those lines that you can only find in this state or that state or, here or there. This product is everywhere. So you can order online, as I mentioned, or you can go to your local Ulta and find it there. So let's get started. Of course, my hair today is a result of using all of the products. I've been using it for a little while now, not long enough to see any hair growth because, your hair has to be in a growing cycle in order to see that. And right now I might be in a shedding cycle. I don't know. But anyway, I did try all these products, and I'm going to be very upfront with you. In the past, when I have tried hair growth products, they have a tendency to dry my hair out. Well, I have a little tip to give you in case you are in the same boat as me when using these products, because I by nature have very dry hair. You all know that, and I'm sure many of you do as well. And if you've been using this line for years or you just started using it, please put in the comments your results with the line. We'd love to hear from you. First, I want to tell you that this line is vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, gluten-free. That's very important to many people, and color safe. Another important issue, if you're out spending all kinds of money on having your hair colored, you definitely don't want the products you're using on it to fade color off. So this line is also color safe. So we have vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, gluten-free, and color safe. A couple of other things you need to know about this line, and then we're going to get into the nitty-gritty, but I did want to cover the important things. This product itself has a DHT blocking ingredients, which are saw palmetto, caffeine, pumpkin seed extract. Do you remember I did a video on hair thinning and I talked about pumpkin seed extract in that video? This line has it in there, and rosemary extract. The strengthening vitamins and botanicals, which I will show you that bottle, and they do have for men and women. These have biotin, niacin, panthenol, apple stem cell extract, sea kelp extract, sunflower seed extract, and all you do is take one a day. The tablet looks just like that, or I should say the capsule looks just like that. I have been taking these, so we'll see how they work. They don't upset my stomach. Sometimes a vitamin will, or it repeats. This does not do that, so made me very happy. Allow me to take a drink, please. And there are a couple of different formulas which have shampoos, conditioners, scalp treatments, styling, minoxidil, and supplements. And this is for thicker, fuller looking hair and a healthier scalp. And if you've been watching me for a long time, you know that I truly do believe that your scalp health is the most important for hair growth. I think that we live in a society where people aren't washing their hair as much as they should, maybe. And they're using a lot more products than, say, our grandmothers or mothers who wash their hair once or twice a week. They would put hairspray on. They weren't using all of the products that we use on our hair. There are two lines to this product line, and one is the Boss Defense. This is a product line which is formulated for those who want to help protect against thinning. So that's another thing. And what's really nice about this line is you go on to the website and you can take a little quiz, answer some questions. It's a short test, it's not a long one, and it will guide you in the right direction as to which line you truly need. So the Boss Defense is for those who want to protect against thinning hair. It's your preventative measure and the ideal choice for any preliminary thinning. The Boss Revive line is a product line which is uniquely formulated for those who want to help restore visibly thinning hair. If you are seeing noticeable thinning and visible scalp, then that is the line for you, the Boss Revive line. All right? And as I mentioned, you will see this on their website, and this is where you will go to take the quiz to tell which products you need. And all you do is you start your online formulation today and you get your Bosley MD custom kit free for the first month. From shampoos, conditioner, to scalp treatments, to supplements, and clinically proven hair growth minoxidil options, Bosley MD offers solutions for anyone looking to combat thinning hair. And it's you get a 30-day free trial. Just cover the $9.95 shipping. So this is a great way to try the products to see how you like them. And you can customize your own routine. It's all up to you, but the website is there to help you and guide you through the quiz. And they also have experts that you can be connected with to help you either select products or, your concerns. So it's really a nice online feature. So let's get to the nitty-gritty. You all want to know what I think of the products, right? Okay. So the first product that we are going to talk about is the Bosley MD Rejuvenating Scalp Scrub. This is with bamboo and charcoal. It's an exfoliant scrub that you use on the scalp. I love these. I've used scrubs on my scalp for a little while now, and I think it's just like your face. So many stop at their scalp. They don't pay attention. But if you're exfoliating your face and your body, why wouldn't you exfoliate your scalp? Especially if we have dead skin laying up there, clogging up our hair follicles. This is an important step, especially if you are noticing that your hair is thinning. It's like you're suffocating the hair follicle with all these products that we're using. So using a scrub on your scalp is really a good idea. And all you do is you wet your hair with this. Now, I have used them on dry scalp. If you're crunched for time, putting it on your dry scalp is not going to really make the product ineffective, okay? It's still gonna work. But you wet your hair and then you will apply, and you'll see I do it in sections. Just apply a small amount. You don't need to do thin sections because as you massage it, it will distribute throughout your scalp and you will be able to do a nice massage with the exfoliant on all over your scalp. And you all know I believe so much in scalp massage as well. I've talked about it in so many videos. So this was the first step. I exfoliated. It doesn't have an unpleasant smell to it. It actually smells very nice. It's very, very subtle, the scent that you get with this. I do like this product, and my scalp felt invigorated after I was done. There was no irritation. You feel it on there. I mean, you don't want to be scrubbing so hard that you make your scalp bleed, but just a nice massage as you see me doing here, and take a few minutes to really work it around the full scalp. And then you can add, I just have a spray bottle with me, just add a little bit of water to the scalp area, and it says it has a light lather. I didn't really notice the light lather, but I did notice that it really did help to distribute the exfoliant around my scalp a little bit more. Next, I went into my shower, and I did not record this because the lighting in my shower is horrible. I actually did record it the other day, and the lighting is so bad that I would be embarrassed to put it up. But anyway, I am using the Bosley MD Revive Nourishing Shampoo. Now, how I use this, you can use this all over your head, but I have very, very dry hair, and I find that these types of shampoos dry the strands out of my hair, not my scalp, but my strands, because it's very dry to begin with. So I focus this only on my scalp, which to me makes sense because this hair down here is not making your hair grow, okay? But if you're looking for the thickness and the volume, then you might want to use it all over. For me, I knew that I was going to be using another product that would be plenty for me. So what I did is I took a little bit in my hands and I massaged it through my fingertips, and I put it through and I massaged it all onto my scalp, and that is where I focused my shampoo. And then of course it kind of just runs down, but I didn't add any more to the ends of the hair. Now if you have a lot of product on your hair, you may have to, but I'm not a big product wearer, you all know that. But the shampoo has a very nice lather to it. It has a nice scent. There was a slight tingle to it, which I think probably, if I could see, but I can't, it probably has a little bit of menthol or peppermint or something like that in it. I could be totally wrong, but I did feel a cooling effect, I'll say, just a cooling effect. And I did like it. It lathered nice. It has a nice scent. It wasn't overpowering in the scent, and it rinsed out well. So then I went in with the conditioner, and I am using the Bosley MD Revive. This is the volumizing conditioner, and I found this to be very concentrated. Again, I focused this on my scalp and just massaged a very small amount on the scalp area, and then I took a little bit more and massaged it through the ends. Now, I'm always going to be upfront with you. This did not detangle my hair enough. I did have to really work with my wide tooth comb to get the tangles out. But my guess, I'm going to say that most people that are going to use this are going to have shorter hair than me anyway, because I think people who naturally have thin hair or are losing their hair, they cut their hair a little bit short to make it appear fuller. So I could be wrong about that too, but that's just my experience when I was doing hair. So the conditioner is very, very nice. It really is concentrated. The detangling was not enough for my hair. It did give good volume as well. It didn't weigh my hair down at all. I don't feel it on the hair, which is very important to me. Next, I went in with the mousse, and this is the Bosley MD Volumize, volumizing and thickening styling mousse, medium hold. This was really nice. So what I did is I sprayed a rather large golf ball size in my hand, and I took that throughout the roots, then to the mid shaft of my hair. I did not put it on the ends. I felt it might dry my hair too much and I didn't need it. This is a very nice mousse. It gave a lot of volume, so I wanted to see. Now, I did use rollers throughout my hair. I just did a simple blow dry, and then I put my hot rollers in, took my hot rollers out, and you know I don't brush my hair or anything like that. It just fell where it wanted to. So before I move on to the hairspray, this is a very important product, and this is the Bosley MD Healthy Hair and Scalp Follicle Energizer with biotin and caffeine. Now this here, it has a twist up top. Just take a pump and put it where you're noticing your thinning. You don't want to use it all over if you don't need it all over. I used it right here where I am really thinning, but if you're thinning in the crown, you will put it in the crown. If you're thinning all over, massage it on your hands and do a massage into your scalp. This is the energizer, so very important step. I will tell you, I was impressed with this because I put it all through here and it's not greasy. I don't feel it. My hair styled as it usually does, so I really did like it. And last but not least is their hairspray. Now, you all know that I don't like hairspray that makes my hair feel or look crunchy or stiff. This here, I haven't put it on yet, we're going to see, but I did try it the other day when I recorded the first video that was too dark. This is the Boz Volumize Weightless Long Lasting Styling Hairspray Firm Hold. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lift my hair up and I'm going to spray like I normally would and see how it performs. So it does help you with a lot of volume. You can go up underneath with this, spray it underneath, and go ahead and just give it a nice fluff. And you can see that it really is giving me a lot of volume. It has a hairspray smell to it. So let's go ahead. It's very soft spray. Let's get wild. Let's get real wild. All right, so we're just going to really put some hairspray on so I can see if this makes my hair crunchy and stiff. And it really isn't. And it is considered firm hold, so it should stay all day for you. But you can see you get great body. Of course, it would be a little bit better if I was looking in a mirror. So that's my first impression of the Bosley MD. Again, it is available on Bosley MD, the website. Now, if you choose to shop on Bosley MD, the website, you can use my code Tammy15, which will give you 15% off your entire cart value. And that, again, is only on Bosley MD, the website. My code can't be used at Ulta. only on Bosley MD. To shop at Ulta. They will have on Cyber Monday 30% off the entire Bosley MD brand. That is quite a savings, my friends. And Ulta will also have buy two, get one free November 29th through December 5th. And in December, they will have free with any $40 purchase men's or women's healthy hair growth supplements. And that will be from December 20th through 26th. So many options for you to save money. Again, on Bosley MD, you can use Tammy 15 and get 15% off your purchase. And I think that code is going to stay. I don't think it's a code that's going to go away. So you can, after all the holidays are over, I think you can still use Tammy 15. But if you are shopping Ulta, you cannot use the Tammy 15 on Ulta, but they are having some really good sales in the month of November and December. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'd like to thank Bosley MD for collaborating with me. This was a collaboration that I didn't mind taking because so many of you struggle with thinning hair and you just want your hair to grow and be healthy and perhaps just look thicker. So they have products to help you out. All right, so I hope you've enjoyed this. Let us know in the comment section if you're already using Bosley MD products and are they working for you, and what is your favorite product? How about that? Put down there what your favorite product is. I have to say the mousse really was really nice, and I did really like the exfoliant, the scalp exfoliator. But I'm someone who I like mousse. It's one of the only styling products that I do like to use. I don't use it all the time, but it gives great hold, and as long as it's not taking any shine away, I'm okay with it. And the exfoliator, I love scalp exfoliators. Yes, I do. All right, I'm going to let you go. Go out in the world and be lovable. Love you all. Bisous.